Welcome to my channel. Today's video is sponsored by YGwigs. Inside of the bag, they sent me some goodies. It is a scarf, a hair tie, a little booklet on how to take care of the hair, some lashes, a comb, a wig cap, some hair clips, and then there is like this little thing. I believe this is for like, when you're washing your hair. So this came with it as well, and inside also came with a box so you can take it on the go as well if you want. So y'all, the thing with this wig, it is a headband wig, but not only is it a headband wig, it has a lace inside so that you get to do a part on it. So I will be installing this with y'all, showing y'all how I achieved this look. I didn't wash this hair or anything. I just went over the work. But yes, y'all, it is an easy install, easy on the go. So let's get right into this video.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See, no one else does me like you do. That's why I don't mind. Spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly, I can't deny. I got a crush on you, that's true indeed. And I'm digging you, you make me believe. Love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. Oh yeah, all day long. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See, no one else does me like you do. That's why I don't mind. Spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
Okay, so I want to show y'all how the wig looked it strained because it did come curled. This is how it looked when it is flat ironed. I definitely like it when it is straight, y'all. It's definitely cute, and I did decide to put a headband on it. This headband did come with the wig. I did put makeup in my part, a little bit of concealer to conceal the part, but I definitely like it straight. So yes, y'all, I do recommend this wig. It is human hair, as in you can strain it and you can curl it and you can wash it. So now I will be curling it so I can show y'all how it looks curled. And I'm not the best at curls, but y'all work with me.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love.
So this is the final look. I hope y'all enjoyed as much as I enjoyed collabing with YGwigs. Y'all, everything will be in the description box. Literally everything, their website, this wig link, literally everything that you need to know. You can use my discount code to get money off if you are interested in shopping with them. As I mentioned before, y'all, this wig is definitely affordable, definitely on the go, and I do recommend it for the ladies out there that don't know how to work with laces. This is the end of the video. I hope y'all enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to go follow me on Instagram and on TikTok. Don't forget to tell a friend about my channel, and I will see y'all in my next video.